Hello everyone, welcome back to lecture 6 of rational numbers. Now if you recall, in the last lecture we've covered sums related to exercise 1D, correct? But I would like to take one or two questions from the same exercise and then proceed. Okay, so let's begin. I'll take one question. To start with, I'll start with this one. It says the product of two rational numbers is minus 5. Okay, product of two rational numbers is minus 5. If one of these numbers is so and so, minus 7 by 15, find the other. Okay, so the step 1, what I will write is, let one number be x. Am I right? Now, if one number is x, other he has given minus 7 by 15. So, x into minus 7 by 15 equals to, and he says the product is minus 5, so this is minus 5. Now I gotta solve this. To solve this, can I say leave x alone and send this on the other side? I'll say therefore x equals to minus 5 as it is. If you recall, we've learned in the last lecture that this multiplication goes that side. In other words, it becomes reciprocal. Perfect. And I'll cancel minus minus and I'll solve this and get the answer of x. I'll leave that part to you. Can I say it's simple? Right? Okay. Let's take one more question. But just before starting that question, let's listen a simple thing. Say for example, I bought 5 pens for rupees 50. Okay, everyone, I bought 5 pens for how much? 50 rupees. Then can you tell me, that means one pen ka cost is how much? Did you say 10 rupees? In that case, the answer is correct. Now my question is, how did you get this 10 actually? So what you did is, total cost, that is 50 upon 5, divide by 5. So 50 divided by 5, answer is 10. Am I right? Now similarly, we'll have the next question. It says, if 3.5 liters of milk cost rupees 49, find the cost of 1 liter of milk. Same thing, I'll say divide 49 by 3.5. Am I right? So 49 divided by 3.5. 49 divided by 3.5. Let's first solve this 3.5. Can I write this as 49 divided by 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 upon 2. I hope everybody knows this. Okay, now division sign I can convert to multiplication. So therefore, I'll say 49 multiplied by 2 by 7. Which I'll solve. 7 1s are 7. 7s are. So 7 into 2, answer is 14. Everybody? Simple? Nice. With this, I'm pretty sure 1D homework exercise of last lecture can be finished easily. Let's go ahead a bit. Now what we'll learn further is something that you've learned in 7th standard also, but we'll revise. How to represent numbers on a number line. So first of all, everybody knows a number line looks something like this. We mark the center point as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means the positive numbers on the right side. And obviously on the left side, the negative numbers. Correct. So, this is how we represent a number line. Now, if I tell you, represent the number -2 by the letter A, what will you do? You'll check out where is -2, here is -2. You'll come here at -2 position and write here A. Simple as that. Everybody? But what if I tell you not to represent -2, but to represent -1 upon 2? If I say only -1, then it's easy. But I'm saying -1 upon 2 and say for example 3 upon 2 on the same number line. If I have to represent this on the number line, let's see what we can do. Carefully. Whenever you get denominators to be represented, you got to make your number line in a bit different way. Now for this question, I'll mark the center as 0 obviously. Now listen carefully. If the denominator is 2, then between every number, for example 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, between every of this number, I'll have to keep a distance of 2. When I say distance of 2, let's see what do I mean. So instead of directly writing here 1, I'll first mark here and here. Now I won't call them as 1 and -1. No. I'll mark one more. Equal space every time, okay? Equal space. I'll call this as -1 and this as 1. So what did I do? Because the denominator is 2, I need to keep a gap of 2 between every number. So 0 and 1 जो numbers हैं, उनके बीच में gap is 1, 2. 2 का gap. Or distance of 2. Okay? Similarly, if I have to mark the number 2, what will I do? Will I write here 2? No. I'll mark here and then mark once again because I need distance of 2. So I'll call this as 2. Similarly, here and then this will be called as -2. So between every number, there is a gap or distance of 2. 2, 2, because the denominator is 2. And one last, I'll mark here -3. Similarly, I'll mark here 3. Now, coming back to the question. Question says mark this on your number line. For example, this is to be marked with A, this is to be marked with B. So let's see where I can find -1 by 2. Now, after doing or making this number line this way, because the numerator is 1, so from 0 I'll always start and travel a distance of 1. But because it is negative, so I'll travel towards left side. So here, this will be nothing else but -1 by 2. And I'll call this as A. Don't worry, let's see one more example. 3 by 2 is to be marked. Now, numerator you observe, it is how much? 3. That means from 0 you will start and you won't go here. No. From 0 you will start, you will travel 3 times. Towards left? No. Towards right. Because this is +3, positive 3. So 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This is my answer. That means this is 3 by 2 and I'll mark it as B. I hope it's pretty clear. If not, pause this video, go back a bit, understand this once again. It's really important. If you understood this, you've got to solve few questions. You'll come to exercise 1E and solve question number 1 and 2. That's it. If you do that much, you're done for this lecture. See you very soon. Thank you, everyone.